Photopea is a powerful free web-based photo and graphics editor that runs entirely in your browser. It offers a wide range of features similar to Adobe Photoshop, including support for various file formats, advanced editing tools, and compatibility across devices. Photopea can be used offline and doesn't upload files to the internet, ensuring data privacy. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload one of the pictures I've got of myself. Okay, cool. So I've decided to upload this image, and as you can see, we've already got quite a lot of tools that are available to us. So as you can see here, we've got what looks like some marquee tools, some cropping tools, and a few other things that we can use to actually erase and augment this image in any particular ways. Cool, so let's say I wanted to add some text and use this as a thumbnail, which I believe I have done in the past. I can just create a text box here. I can increase the size, let's say 200. I can start typing in here. I can just say thumbnail or caption. Then of course I can change the color. Say I want to choose red, and then I can click OK. We've got, just some text here. Now, I'm not a graphic designer myself, so I haven't got any immediate ideas in terms of how I can improve this image, but I think this is quite an extensive tool, and anyone who's really into graphics and visualizations and editing images in general, I think this can be a very powerful tool, especially if you're looking for something that's quick, can be accessed offline, and is also secure and also free. So yeah, I definitely recommend checking out photopea.com. It seems quite useful. You can also save and export in multiple formats. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.